Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect a Canva website to Wix in 2024. So whether you're looking to leverage Canva's stunning designs or Wix powerful websites building features, we've got you covered. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide and just sit back and relax. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, make sure to open your both Wix as example and canva.com. So here, as an example, once you do so, you'll be taken to the home screen and main screen of both. So make sure you have an account on both and logged into both. As example, if it's your first time on Canva and Wix, you'll be taken to these pages instead. So here you can click on login in the Canva. You can click at the top right corner, login into your account. As example, you'll be able to log in using Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft accounts. If you have one of those, you'll be able to create or even log in into your account without any problems, without any issues. It's not going to be boring. They'll basically do everything for you. The same will be for Wix, as example. You can use Google, Facebook, or Apple to log in or even create an account. So once you do so, you will find yourself here in the home screen, basically, of Canva and Wix both. So first, we would like, as we said, to connect like Canva to a website or to Wix website. Canva website specifically, not just Canva, because there's no like direct connection between Canva and Wix. Like, sure, you can use a third-party tool like Automate.io, Zapier. Also use Zapier later if you want to. But there's no like direct connection between the two of them. So all you need to do, or you can do, is simply connect to websites, like Canva websites. Basically, taking it from Canva to Wix websites, or the opposites from Wix to into Canva. So first of all, after like publishing a website in your Canva, of course, for me, I already have one. If you don't have it, just go to create design at the top right corner, just type here websites, click on it as example, and make sure to create a design. You can even choose the templates of the designs that they have in here. Use one. It's totally up to you, of course. Don't use the pro ones unless you have a plan. You can't even use them anyway. For me, as I said before, I already have a plan in here, so I will not. I already have a website already created and published, as you can see in here. So I can just go example. So I'll just go here, click on publish. I'm not going to click on publish. I just want to see the sites. Yeah, here's this. Basically, I'll need to copy this. As you can see the websites, everything is working, buttons, everything. So just all you need to do first of all is copy the website URL from Canva and log in, of course, into your Wix account. Go and create a new page or select an existing page on whatever like website you have. Maybe as example this one. I'll just go and click on edit this site specifically. So you can go and create a new page or select an existing page. And you will have to add an embed element to your Wix page. Go to editor example, choose or create whatever you want on the plus icon. So let's just wait for it so you can simply see what it's going to look like specifically. So example, we can go to this list panel, click on the plus button, as we said, and yeah, and here as you can see, you can add a lot of stuff, as you can see, right? This is all only in the quick add. If you go here to assets, we have like sections, containers, a layout, text, buttons, example, menu search, media, decorative, context forms, embed, and social. This is basically what we want, is embed and social, to connect that Canva site in here. So we also need to go to this list panel, click on embed sites. Just go, as you can see, you'll find this right here. Just go and drag it wherever page you want. Okay, sorry. Just go, as you said, and drag it. Or you can simply, of course, I have no section down there. That's why it will just be added in here. So just go and then I'll add it. First of all, need to add the section. So here, of course, let's just add it like wherever. So it does not matter actually, but I have here like an image, so I don't think it will look good. I want it to be down here. But as you can see, I have nothing down there, so it will not look good. So yeah, as you can see, it looks small and etc. So just add the section first of all. I don't know why the Wix website is slow a little bit. But anyway, of course, yeah, I want to add layer. Of course, not in the home page. Let's just even add like a whole page. Just go here and click on add a new page. I'll just add a new page as an example. And I don't want even the header to show on the new page, but sure, I'll just name it here test as example. And yeah, what I want to add in here simply add an element. So click on the plus button, go to this list panel as we said, and embed the sites. This is what we want basically. So here, let's just go and add it, make it like bigger as an example. As you can see, if we go to the site and click on change website address, we'll be able to change whatever you want. So enter the site that you want and click on update. And as you can see, this of course should change it into your website right away. And let me just go and check the websites again. So yeah, it seems it's working. I don't know why it shows like that. Let me just go and preview it and see if it's going to look the same. So refuse to connect. Okay, I don't know why it's not connecting for some reason. So let me just go back to edit inside and here. For some reason, it's not connecting, maybe because like Wix is slow at the moment. If this didn't work, of course, you can try. This is not like proven before, but I did not try it before. But of course, you can go and try to get HTTP code of your website. You can try to change it into HTTP code. Of course, this one. And once you get, of course, your HTTPS code, you can simply enter it here and try to get it. You'll be able to do it. For, as I said, the connection or with Zapier, you can simply open a new tab, go to zapier.com. Make sure, of course, if it's your first time to go and create an account, you can, of course, create an account using Google or log in even in Google. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here. Go to this left panel, click on apps. We'll need to connect both like Wix and Zapier. So Wix and of course, not Zapier, like Wix and the Canva. Here's an example. Here you have to select a site that you want to connect into this. For example, select this site. I'll just go and select it. Yeah, green add. And of course, basically, I'll need to connect Wix in here right away. So it could be connected. It should be connected. The same will be for Canva. Basically, you'll need to go and connect your Canva account. And basically, you can do not just a connection using this Zapier. You can also automate some stuff between the two of them. So, for example, here you have to allow it so it can be connected. And let's just wait for it until it's connected. Now I can go to this left panel, click on create, click on Zaps, and you can use this AI tool to help us connect it. So you can type whatever you want. For example, there's an example here when I add a reaction on Slack, create a card material. I don't know what you want to do with the connection specifically, but I'll just type here, connect as an example, like Wix to Canva, as simple as that, or Canva as example to Wix, as simple as that. Hit the enter button, AI will create everything for me. Of course, if you have something specific, just enter it out. Like when I receive something on Canva, do this or something like that. They will show you exactly how to do it. You can click on add steps and change whatever you want. So, for example, they're using here another app. Of course, you can change this example to whatever you want, like Canva in here. So for Canva, there's no trigger. Maybe an example. What about the events? Let's see if they have like some action to do. So they have some action. What about Wix? Do they have like some triggers? So yeah, they have triggers, as you can see. And here you can simply just go and choose the events, like maybe blog and Canva, maybe as example, create the design. Here's example, you'll have to connect your account, choose the trigger, click on continue, test it. The same will be for Canva. Do whatever you want in here, enter a title to it, do whatever suits you, and test it out as example. So test step here and test step here. Once both tested, once both like tested and everything is good, you can simply just publish it and the connection will be established and automated depending on whatever you want. So here I choose when I receive an example, a new blog, a new design should be created. You can change, as example, the trigger when you receive maybe a new booking or chat box or something like e-commerce or something like that. Canva should do create a design, export a design, import a design, move folder, do a lot of stuff that you can do here. So yeah, that's gonna be it basically for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.